All right, I've got the shamiest of shames today. I got a pair of these Dre Beat headphones, these Solo 3 wireless headphones. No sound comes out of the left ear. So I sent them back for repair. I sent them to Apple. They've got a $299 value. That would be the replacement cost of these things. And Apple will not repair them because there's a little dot of paint. So if you look at the screen here, you'll see that there's this little bit of paint when I was painting a room in the house, must have ran up against the wall, and that little bit of paint constitutes some kind of damage. So here, listen to the call that I had the um, with the Apple representative. It's shameful, disgusting and shameful. They will not fix or replace a pair of headphones that has a 1 year warranty on it, a probably $19 item that they sell for $299. They will not repair it because it has this little bit of paint. So I have Apple on the phone here. So tell me again why my repair request is being denied and I have to just buy a new pair of headphones. Tell me again.
Yes, sir. Let me begin by saying that Apple does not allow these conversations to be recorded, but I do not have any problem telling you that the limited hardware warranty does not cover accidental damage. So the accidental damage is an out of warranty cost to you.
So we're saying that a speck, literally a speck, a drop of paint that's on the outside of the foam and has absolutely no bearing whatsoever on the function of the headphones is considered accidental damage and voids the warranty that Apple provides. Is that what you're telling me?
I apologize, Mr. Eric. You were breaking up. I advise you that we're not able to be on recordings. But I did, for your recording purposes, tell you the exact same thing I did say. We would have to end the recording. But yes, if dirt or anything that is physical to the device is considered physical damage.
Okay, like a speck of paint on the outside that does not in any way affect the function of the thing. So really, if there was just a one little
Mr. Eric,
scratch, so if there
Mr.
were,
Eric, I
yeah,
apologize. I need to repeat what I've said, that we're not allowed to be recorded, and I need to ask you to please stop the recording. Otherwise, I have to end the call.
so you're
But the information I've given you is correct, that any damage, physical or accidental, is not covered under your limited hardware warranty, and it does tell you that.
okay. So a speck of paint. Let me ask you this: if there were a little scratch in the outside plastic, like just maybe even a fingernail mark, would that also void the warranty?
They would, I have to tell you because I don't do the visual inspections here, but usually if they can see it, the damage, then they do charge for the damage. Yes, sir.
Got it. Okay. Is there anyone at Apple that has any common sense whatsoever that I could speak to?
No, sir, that is Apple's policy, that if there is accidental damage, it has to be repaired as well. If you're wanting to just get your beats back, like you said, and remove the damage and take care of it yourself, so that that's not something they were quoting about, and send it back in, then they can inspect it after that.
Okay. Well, there might be some dust on the frame. Is that
No, no, no. Dust is not included. No, sir. Dust would not be included in accidental damage.
okay? Well, I'll request to have it sent back then. I'll get a little acetone. I'll wash that out, and I'll see if you can I'll see if you're willing to live up to the commitment that you've made to me as a customer or not.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
We're definitely going to do our very best to replace or repair those beats for you and get it back to you.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. You have a great rest of your day.
Bye.